Happy birthday, dear Mala.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Malichi. May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Take care. Bye. Love you, Uma.
Hi Malachi, wish you a very happy 60th birthday.
മെനി മെനി ഹാപ്പി റിട്ടേൺസ് ഓഫ് ദ ഡേ മലക്കുട്ടി. എപ്പോഴും ഇങ്ങനെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ലവ് യു സോ മച്ച്.
Happy birthday. We all love you.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कभी, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे बजती है शहनाइयाँ सी राहों में। ഇതിനപ്പുറം പാട്ട് ഓർമ്മയില്ല. മല wish you a very very happy 60th birthday. When we come to Cochin, we are going to have a bash. മക്കളെ വിക്കു, മോളെ പ്രിയങ്ക, be ready. As soon as this COVID fellow goes off, we are coming there. We will have a big bash on this one. Bye, love you.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. Happy birthday, Mala. 60 years, I can't believe this. I was just trying to think, what are my memories of you? And it made me laugh so much. Because I don't think I've been a good sister to you, or even a good elder sister to you. I can't even remember the first 2 years of your existence. You know, my first memory is of you grumpily sleeping in that Oti in Mau when we were celebrating Renu's birthday. Remember? And Amma calling you, Kalatile Mushua. And I still remember picking you up from that drain and bringing you home into the house. Remember the house with the lawn? And then finally you smiled. Somehow I feel that you were born 2 years earlier. You should have been born 2 years later as a twin to Renu. She was the leader, you the follower. And I still remember the time that Amma put red chilies in your eyes, both of you, She closed her eyes so tight, and you kept your eyes so wide open. I still remember how much of water I splashed on your face trying to wash those chilies off, and how much you cried, A big hug to you for being in our lives, Mala. You have really made it so enriching, and so unselfishly you have given us your love. I don't think we have done justice to you. Did we ever do anything together? I don't know whether you remember. The one thing that we did together was epic. Remember the time that we sat and shat on Kamarat, those steps in that rainy season? I still remember. No words were exchanged. Both of us needed to go, but it was raining and we couldn't bear to step out into that muck and go into the parambu. So we did it in the most convenient place that we could find, either side of those two small steps in Kamarat. Remember how much we got beaten up? We were dragged from Vadakorath into the Kotlagam by Amma, because she was so frustrated with Achama's words. But that was us, the one naughty thing that we did together. Ever since then, you have been a nice young sister to all my commandments, reasonable, unreasonable, it didn't matter. You just followed. And you have been a steady pillar, a rock that which I could depend upon. I will never forget how you looked after Ammu and Janu when they had jaundice. They still adore you for your star valappams, and I cannot compete with your curries even now when it comes to happy meals that they have had, and they always talk about the happy meals they have had at your house. My dear, dear sister, I wish you could see yourself the way we see you, the Marie Kondo of our lives. So organized, so systematic, so disciplined, so capable, with so much of potential. And there is so much more for you to do. And how we have ragged you. Remember? Malak pyar, Moosiyod pyar, zindagi hai. How Shivan and Renu used to sing that. And how much you used to cry. I still remember looking at you and thinking, what is she crying for? And they would go on and on. Malak pyar, Moosiyod pyar, zindagi hai. I don't know how that life was for you, but we really looked at you and depended on you for everything. I hope you remember that. I will never forget Ammu's wedding, where you stood with her and didn't even get time to get dressed because you were waiting for the beautician to finish. And she came out such a beautiful bride. I will never forget that. I mean, I could go on, but the most, the biggest achievement that I remember is that I was at Talcheri Stadium when you stood at that half line and shot a basket. Shot a basket, that's history, man. Even today in Talcheri, that is history. And you are the woman who did it. In everything that you have done, you have reached epic proportions. Look at your sons, wonderful human beings, great achievers. And how you have made your husband go bald. It's an achievement. I'm trying. It's just, he's just going bald now. So, your home, there is no other comparison to your home, the way it is kept. We are all trying to live up to who you are. And we are so blessed to have you in our lives, Mala. We may tease you, we may criticize you, we may say that, why can't you do things and why can't you take this action, why don't you do this? But all we want to is to be like you. Love you loads, have a wonderful day. The minute the quarantine laws are clearer and we can travel, we are coming to Kochi to celebrate this birthday. Love you. Hi Mala, this is Mr. Miyagi. I'm so happy it's your birthday. In fact, I'm just thinking about all the happy times we spent together, and I'm so thrilled. You can see the joy on my face. Wow. I wonder what I will look like when I'm 60. Hi Malanti, happy birthday from me and my little family here. I just want to wish you the best of health and happiness and lots more laughter, Lola, for this year. And I love you lots. We all love you lots. You're the most beautiful auntie in the world. Love you. Bye. Birthday. Happy birthday. Every birthday.
Malanti, happy birthday. It's me, your favorite niece. Don't worry, I won't tell everyone, but I think they know anyway. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope that I get to see you soon and we can celebrate in a really, really grand way that you deserve. On this 60th birthday, I would like to remind you, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മുഴം വട്ടാണ് actually. And I know this because I remember once when I was leaving India and I was about to head to the airport and I just went in to take a shower. You sneakily and quietly repacked my suitcase. And I know you didn't ask me because you knew if you asked, I would probably say, "Ningalku muram vattana, please go to your room." By the time I came out of the shower, you had folded everything so neatly, but you had also folded my dirty clothes, even my dirty underwear. This is very weird behavior, but I also think this is why my acha loves you so much, because ningalku randakkum similar type of vattana. So I hope you continue to always have your OCD because I think it makes you very happy. It certainly makes my father very happy and it gives us something to laugh about. And I really, really, really hope to see you sometime this year. I love you so much and I miss you lots.
Hi Mala, our special wishes to a very special person. Wish you a wonderful 60th birthday and many, many more happy returns of the day. We love you and wish you all the best. Take care and have a great day.
Hi Malachi, happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday, Malachi. You are very special to me, and I always pray to God to give you loads of happiness and good luck. Have a wonderful day and many, many more years of happiness to you. You enjoy with Bhikkhu, Priya and Prasadatan. When we meet next, we'll all celebrate your birthday. Love you loads.
Happy birthday, Velima. You are a constant source of love, support, and inspiration to all of us. And I hope you have a very lovely day today. See you soon, hopefully.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ മാലേച്ചി. ഇപ്രാവശ്യത്തെ പിറന്നാൾ എല്ലാം സന്തോഷമായിട്ട് ആഘോഷിക്കുക. ആരും അടുത്തുണ്ടാവില്ല എന്നുള്ളൊരു വിഷമേ ഉള്ളൂ. സാരമില്ല കേട്ടോ, അതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് നേരിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് തീർത്ത് കളയാം. വിഷ് യു ഹാവ് എ ബ്ലെസ്ഡ് ഇയർ അഹെഡ്.
Happy birthday, Malalima. Hope you have a good day ahead. We wish we were there with you. പക്ഷെ എന്തായാലും നമ്മൾ വരുമ്പം we can all celebrate together. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Malavelima. Hope you have a great and joyful life ahead. I really wish I was there next to you so I can give you a tight little hug. But I hope that happens soon. But on your 60th special birthday, I wish you nothing but happiness and good health all throughout, Velima. Love you so much. Missing you. Hope to see you soon. Have a blast. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Velima.
ഹായ് മാല, ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു. സോ ഞാനൊരു മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആക്ച്വലി പ്രസാദേട്ടൻ asked me for a video shot, but then it wasn't coming properly. So I thought I'll send the voice message along with a small clip of mine. Okay? So here's wishing you all the best in life. Pinna, I'm really glad that I have a friend like you. And you know, I'm always there for you if you need me. Yeah? Okay, take care. Okay. Hi Mala, happy birthday to you. A landmark birthday, alle. First of all, let me wish you all the happiness and health in your life ahead. Etra kalayi alle, we go a long way back. Can you believe that so many years have passed in school? വിശ്വസിച്ചില്ല. എനിവേ, ആസ് ഐ ടെൽ ദാമു, there's nothing like school days. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ എന്തെല്ലാം ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസിന് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഒന്നായിട്ട് പോകുന്നു? ഡാൻസിങ്, ബാസ്കറ്റ് ബോളിന്, പ്ലേയിങ് മാസ് ആൻഡ് എവറിത്തിങ്. പിന്നെ ശിവനെ കൂട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഹോളി ഏഞ്ചൽസിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൽ പോകുന്നത് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? ഐ തിങ്ക് ശിവൻ തോട്ട് ദിസ് അരുൺ ഏജ് ഈസ് എ റിയൽ ടെറർ. എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോയെന്നറിയില്ല. ഒരിക്കൽ നമ്മൾ പിന്നെ സ്റ്റേഡിയത്തിൽ ബാസ്കറ്റ് ബോളിൽ കളിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വീണിട്ട് മുട്ടുന്ന് പൊട്ടി ചോര നല്ലോണം വരുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഓടി വന്ന് എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എല്ലാവരോടും പോന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മീൻസ് ഐ വാസ് ഡ്രൈവിങ് യു അവേ. ഐ ഫീൽ എംബാരസ്ഡ് വെൻ പീപ്പിൾ കം ടു മീ ഫോർ സച്ച് തിങ്സ്. എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം പോയി. പിറ്റേ ദിവസം നീ എന്നോട് വന്നിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു, അറിയാരും പിന്നെ ശിവൻ എന്നോട് പറയാം, അരുണേച്ചിക്ക് മാലേച്ചിനോട് ദേഷ്യ, ഇനി മിണ്ടൂല എന്നെല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞത്. യു മസ്റ്റ് ബി മിസ്സിങ് ശിവൻ, നോ? യാ, ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് യു വിൽ. പിന്നെ സ്കൂള് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞങ്ങൾ വി വെൻറ്റ് ടു ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് കോളേജസ് ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ഐ ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് വി were in any way apart. എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ നിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ എന്ത് ഫങ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഐ വാസ് ഓൾവേസ് there. Each and every member of your family knew me. അതിന് നിൻ്റെ കല്യാണമായി, പ്രസാദേട്ടൻ വന്ന്, പിന്നെ പ്രസാദേട്ടൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ കൊണ്ടുവിടാൻ വന്നതെല്ലാം എനിക്ക് നല്ല ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്. ആ പിന്നെ ബ്രിഡ്ജും കഴിഞ്ഞ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ അവിടെ കാറ് നിർത്തി ഞങ്ങൾ നടന്നു പോകുന്നത്. പിന്നെ വിക്കുൻ്റെ പാല് കൊടുക്കൽ, അത് ഐ തിങ്ക് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് കാര്യമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൂടിയത് ഫോർ മൈ മാരേജ് വെൻ യു ഹാഡ് കം. വീണയും നീ ആയിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ബ്യൂട്ടീഷ്യൻസ്, റിമെമ്പർ? പിന്നെ വി ഗോട്ട് ബിസി വിത്ത് അവർ റെസ്പെക്റ്റീവ് ലൈഫ്സ്. ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് വി ലോസ്റ്റ് ടച്ച് ഫോർ എ വൈൽ, ബട്ട് ദെൻ ഐ ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് it makes any difference in real friendship whether you are in touch or not, because you carry on from where you left off, even though you haven't seen each other for many years. Okay, very good. I want you to know that you are a quiet and enduring type and unassuming person. I love you for what you are. Here's a toast to our friendship. Okay? Take care and be happy. That's it.
Many happy returns of the day, Mala. Love you so much.
മല, പ്രസാദേട്ടനൊരു വീഡിയോ ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മോളെ, ഞാൻ ഈ ഫോണും കയ്യിൽ പിടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇത് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പെട്ട പാട് എനിക്ക് മാത്രമേ അറിയുള്ളൂ. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ, ജസ്റ്റ് ടു വിഷ് എ പേഴ്സൺ ഹു സോ ക്ലോസ് ടു യുവർ ഹാർട്ട്. വേർഡ്സ് ഒന്നും വരുന്നില്ല. ഐ വാസ് ജസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റക്ക് ഇൻ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഓഫ് ദറ്റ്. എനിക്കൊന്നും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല, ഒന്നും പറയാൻ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അവസാനം 2 വാക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ്, ആ വീഡിയോ നീ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ. എൻ്റെ മോനത് കണ്ടിട്ട് എന്നെ കളിയാക്കിയിട്ട് കൊന്ന്. ഈ വാസ് ടെല്ലിങ് മീ, മമ്മ ഇതെന്തെന്ന് എന്തോ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റഡ് സംഭവം മാതിരി ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദിസ്? പിന്നെന്തെന്നാ ഞാൻ അപ്പോഴത്തേനെ അയച്ചും കൊടുത്തു പ്രസാദേട്ടന്. മല, വിഷിങ് യു ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ബർത്ത്ഡേ എവർ in your life. This is 60th birthday and hope you enjoy with your family. Mala, നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും 60s ബട്ട് our mind is still young. I know we all are ആ ഒരു ടൈപ്പാണ് നമ്മൾ, ആ ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഗ്രൂപ്പെല്ലാം ഒരു പ്രാന്തൻ ടൈപ്പാണ്. ആൻഡ് വി ഓൾ ആർ സ്റ്റക്ക് അറ്റ് 20. ഒരു 20 മതിയല്ലേ, അതിലപ്പുറം പോകണ്ട. സോ സ്റ്റേ അറ്റ് 20, enjoy your life, enjoy with your family. Wishing you all the best, all the very best in your life. Stay strong, stay young. Love you dear. Bye, keep in touch.
Hi Mala, I'm so glad that I got this message to send you a birthday greeting. I'm in the office because only in the office I will comb my hair and try and look a little presentable. Happy 60th birthday to you, first of all. May your day be filled with love, happiness, and may you keep shining always like the sun. Enjoy every moment and remember, you're not old, you're just full of experiences. But with whatever little interaction I've had with you, I just want to say that we always say at home, Ramesh and I, that Mala has got such kind eyes, she's such a kind soul, such a wonderful person. You always inspire one song in my heart, and I'm going to sing it for you. And here it goes. प्यार भरे दो शर्मीले नैन जिनसे मिला मेरे दिल को चैन, कोई जाने ना क्यों माला शर्माए, कैसे ये दिल बहलाए, प्यार भरे दो शर्मीले नैन। दिल ये कहे गीत में तेरे गाऊं, तू ही सुने और मैं गाता जाऊं, तू जो रहे साथ मेरे दुनिया को ठुकराऊं, तेरा दिल बहलाऊं, प्यार भरे दो शर्मीले नैन। Mala, remember we all love you too much. Stay blessed always. We bless you from the bottom of our hearts. I turned 60 2 months ago, so we shall party together soon. Have a great 60th.
Happy birthday, Amma. Really very sorry that we couldn't be there with you on this special day. And it's been a very long time since we met, and we had your Isle of Fry and special sambar.
And chicken biryani.
Yeah. അപ്പോൾ അമ്മ സന്തോഷമായിരിക്കും. അങ്കിളിനോട് അന്വേഷണം പറയുക. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഈ ടെൻഷൻസൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് മാറിയിട്ട് വിൽ ക്യാച്ച് അപ്പ് സൂൺ. വി മിസ് യു, വി ലവ് യു. ബൈ.
മാലാൻഡിക്ക് 60ാം പിറന്നാൾ ആശംസകൾ.
Hey auntie, happy birthday. Wish you a very very happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Mala auntie. May your year be very fabulous as you are. Wishing you good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Mala auntie. I hope you're fine.
Wishing you a fantastic year ahead and a great birthday.
We love you. Bye.
We love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Mala auntie.
Happy birthday, Mala auntie.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Wanna sing a song?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mala auntie.
Happy birthday to you.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Mala. Wishing you good health, wealth, and lot of prosperity for many, many more years to come. May you be living very happily with 8 and 9 children. And it's been what, two years now since we met you and since we've known you. It's been a wonderful experience. I must say you're an extremely loving and warm person, a very caring person too. Um, I think it's a huge milestone for you and for all of us. It's nice, but it's unfortunate that we can't be there with you today. And a tight hug to you with lot of love to you from us. And let me also tell you, thank you very much for giving us a gem like Vivek. Love you, Mala. Love you lots.
And I second all that.
Bye.
Hi, Auntie. Happy 60th birthday. I hope you have an amazing day and I hope you have a wonderful year and I wish you all the happiness and good health. And I hope you have a relaxed day today. And I hope Uncle does all the work and you have to do no extra work today. Sorry, Uncle. Hopefully, we can meet soon and celebrate this milestone together. Till then, take care and lots of love from Pune.
Hello, Mala. A very, very, very happy birthday to you. ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം കൊണ്ട് സുഖവും സന്തോഷവും സമാധാനമായിട്ട് വളരെ കാലം ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കാൻ ദൈവം അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രണ്ടാൾക്കും സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ ശുഭാശംസകൾ. ഓക്കെ, ദൈവം കാത്തു രക്ഷിക്കട്ടെ. വൺസ് അഗൈൻ ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ.
Happy birthday, Amma. I hope you are having a good day. Yeah, we are looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, Amma. I think when you see this, you will be 60. And ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ I am exactly half your age now. എനിക്ക് 30 and I am at the age you were when you had me. And I think I've been thinking a lot about this mathematical fact. But it's apparent to me than it would have been at any other age, maybe. The kind of care, the kind of attention, the kind of love, and the kind of sacrifices that you have made, and how they have shaped my life. And I'm at an age where I think I can imagine the kind of choices and the kind of decisions that you had to make in order to give me the life that I have now. And I don't know if I will have the kind of impact that on anybody's life, like the kind of impact that you have had on me. And I don't know if I am capable of giving the same amount of love, attention, and care to someone else as you have given throughout my 30 years. But I think the best and perhaps the only birthday present that I can give you is to try and lead my life in a way that is more true to the lessons that you have taught me. And Dailum, I was hoping that we would all be together and we would have a grand celebration in Kochi. But I hope that we all can get together very, very soon and celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday, Amma.
Hi, Amma. A very, very, very happy 60th birthday to you. I'm so excited and thrilled to be a part of your very special day. Amma, in the last couple of weeks, I have had the extreme privilege of listening to birthday messages and videos that everyone, friends and family have sent across for you. And all of them have just one thing to say. They only speak about your innate kindness and your warmth. It made me realize how blessed I am to be a part of your family. So, I would like to thank you today for having the ability to recognize and acknowledge that I have enough Taravaditam to marry your son and become a part of your family. Amma, in the little time that I have known you, I have learned a couple of things about you. Not only are you an extremely compassionate and determined to only see the good in others kind of person, but you also have this inability to see the good that is within you. Hopefully, with this message today, with all these messages today, you will finally realize how important you are to all the people in this video. You're such an important part of all our lives, and I hope you'll finally realize that today. And I hope that you'll finally be able to see yourself the way we see you. Happy birthday, Amma. You're 60, but you can still leave home and go to work. Unlike some people we know who are not supposed to. Happy birthday, Amma. Love you.
Hi Amma, happy 60th birthday. This is a momentous occasion for you to, look back and cherish all those good old memories and look forward in anticipation as to what lies ahead in your life. Talking of memories, I have very vivid memories of my childhood. നമ്മൾ വെസ്റ്റിൽ നിന്നിരുന്ന സമയത്ത് used to stuff that glass of milk. I used to hate it and used to stuff it up before I went to school. And during exam time, you used to do that third and final revision, which was a quick revision before the auto came, and you wouldn't leave me. Even if I saw the auto coming, you wouldn't leave me till that all the questions were asked and I answered all of them properly. I was more worried about the auto rickshaw, me missing that auto and missing my exam. And I also used to take a sneak peek at the answers so that I could quickly reply, because you weren't looking at me at that time. You were too busy looking at the questions and hearing my answers. Anyway, that did a lot of good to me. Another vivid memory is Achachan, when he passed away. We had to rush to Iringal, and both of us, Achan was not there, both of us went to Iringal, and you were so deeply depressed, and you're so down, you just wouldn't stop crying, and it had a very deep impact in me. I was probably 4 or 5 years, and I used to think, if this is your reaction to Achachan passing away, then I didn't know how you would react if something happened to Apachan. So it remained in my mind for many years till Apachan left us. Anyway, there were a few stories, I think, which he used to tell us, and they had an impact in our lives. One is Kamara Maman Kada, where Kamara Maman got a government job and he was to leave home for that job, but Achamma wouldn't leave him because she said, and the and side so there's no question of him going, and so he didn't take up that job. So I think that had a deep impact in the sense, you just let us be, ourselves. You never stopped us anywhere. Probably why I could, without even blinking, choose armed forces as a profession and go on to take up, flying and the fighter stream. All risky professions where parents could, if they wanted, have a say in the decision making. Then another blackmailing story which he used to tell me, when I was small, was Kalyat. There is a saying that, ee Kalyat family la aanangal nannavula. And as a small boy, I mean, for a long time I was the only male child, Rupechi, Reshu, Ammu and all were lucky that they didn't have to worry about this curse. Anyway, but I was determined to disprove this theory, but you stopped saying that once Shimaman went to Gulf, so there is someone to always disprove your theory. Nevertheless, it did me good. Whatever I wanted in life, I was able to achieve because of immense support which actually both of you gave the both of us. Anyway, കല്യാട്ട് ആണുങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ 4 പേരുണ്ടല്ലോ. I think we haven't done bad. We might not be as good as the ladies over there, but I think we have done pretty pretty good job. I think you should stop saying that. Anyways, wish you a very happy birthday, and please enjoy yourself thoroughly and have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. And I'm looking forward to spending time with you on this, special day of yours. And one thing I would like to tell you on this occasion is that come what may, across the board, we all love you very much, Amma, and you are a great source of inspiration, and you are a huge part of our lives, and I know that you know that, but I thought that I should put it in this video. Anyway, happy birthday once again. Love you, Amma.
Hi Mala, I wish you a very happy birthday today. It is an important day for me as you are an inseparable part of my life. I wish you enough of surprises and enjoyment today. It is also an important day as it is your coronation day to senior citizenship, as Priya would say. It signifies not the age, but your knowledge and experience in life. In fact, out of the 6 decades, we have been living together for 4 decades. That tells me how important you are to me. And you get the full credit for what I am today and also how happily we live together. You have succeeded as a perfect mother with both our sons excelling in what they do. You groomed them to be independent and they could achieve what they wanted in life with their own efforts and also the support they qualified. Your ability to tolerate different type of personalities in life without conflicts has always amazed me. Your willpower to overcome all odds in life has been always a lesson to me. The importance of charity in life, I have learned it from you. And you are a multi-dimensional personality, a good dancer, good basketball player, a very good cook at home, and also a good teacher, then a good organizer and a decorator and what not. Mala, why I am saying all this is because we need to live together for another 6 more decades happily and with good health. We must certainly do it, Mala. I wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
मुझको अपने गले लगा लो है मेरे तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है, मुझको अपने गले लगा लो है मेरे हमराही। तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है, मुझको अपने गले लगा लो। जब तुम मुझसे दूर रहते हो जिया मेरा घबराता है, नींद आँखों से उड़ जाती है, चाँद अगन बरसाता है, दोनों पहलू जल जाते हैं, आग में आग लगाता है, जैसे तड़पे बिन जल मछली प्यार मुझे तड़पाता है, प्यार मुझे तड़पाता है। इस उलझन से मुझको बचा लो है मेरे हमराही। तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है, मुझको अपने गले लगा लो।